Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today, to answer a question that I didn't have the time to include on my main review regarding the Xiaomi Pad 5, which I will leave a link right over here just in case you haven't watched the review. But the question is it able to use a USB Type-C to Ethernet adapter, which I've got right over here, one from Minix. This is a USB Type-C to 3 ports USB Type-A and one Ethernet port right over there, which I will connect the Ethernet cable right over here. The answer is yes, and it's really cool, but let me show you a few details because they are curious and they are very interesting to see. Now, I am recording the screen, as you can see right over there, and one of the things that I would like to share once again, because this result that I'm going to share with you is already on the main review, which is the Wi-Fi speeds that I can get on the Xiaomi Pad 5. So let's open up the speed test, and you are seeing the tablet screen right over here, and in this particular case my limit is 500 megabits on download and 100 on upload. So what I'm going to get is something like 300 and something megabits per second on download, and on the upload we will get roughly 100 megabits per second, which is a good result. It's not the fastest one that we have seen here in terms of devices, but not bad at all. As you can see, we are getting 303 and 118 on the upload, and if I go right over here to my results, you'll see that the maximum that I got was 345, 344 on the download side, 330. So these were the best results. I got a few below 300, but that was it. Now what I'm going to do is minimize this on the Xiaomi Pad 5. I'm going to show you right over here. Although I'm recording the screen, I want to show you connecting the USB Type-C, and you will notice something on the top right corner of the tablet. I'm recording the screen. There it is. Can you see the two arrows, one for the left and one for the side, and then two dashes on the middle? That's the sign that we have Ethernet connected. And you can also see right over here, but just wanted to point that out that everyone can see it. Now if I pull this down, we will have, actually we have here on the top, as you can see, a exclamation mark on the middle of the Wi-Fi signal. So that means that it's not being used, but just in case I'm going to disable it completely, and we are just going to be with the Ethernet connection. Now before I do the result, let's do something. Try to figure out which is the number, and my limit is 500 megabits per second on download and 100 on upload. Try to guess which is the number before I show you, because this is a really interesting thing. And if you haven't watched the review, try to watch it right over here, see the details that I share right there, and then come back to this point of the video and guess the number that we will get right over here. It will be a very interesting result, at least in my opinion. Now that being said, let me move ahead before you move on, and I'm with the same server for the test, and let's press. So the number that we will get is, did you guess it? Did you guess it? 300 megabits per second on download. That will be hit. That will be the maximum. And I did redirect you for the review. Not really sure if you went there, but one of the limitations that we did find is that the connection that we have on the Xiaomi Pad 5 is actually a USB Type-C right over here, but the technology behind is USB 2.0, and that just means that when I did the tests on data transfer, recording videos on my GoPro and then importing to the Xiaomi Pad 5 to edit those videos, the limitation was 30 megabytes per second on transfer speed. So 30 megabytes per second, exactly the same as 300 megabits per second. So that will be the maximum that we will be able to input or output through the USB Type-C connection. I wouldn't imagine Thunderbolt connectivity, but 3.0 would be great, would give us HDMI output, would also give us a little bit more speed, but that is it. That's what we are going to get. Great news if you want to use this tablet as a computer, connecting it to a bigger screen, which we did a video about that, so I will leave a link right over here with the advantages, disadvantages, and also limitations that we will find. But here it is, guys, the answer that you were looking for, if it's able to connect or not. Now, the adapter that I'm using is a Minix adapter. I've tried at least 2 from Minix, so if you are on the doubt and if you want to get one, just search on the channel for Minix. I have reviewed these adapters, and then you will be able to find the links and so on and so forth, so because I will forget to put the links down below. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over here, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.